Hello, I'm Mrs. Curling and I'm here to guide you through the Year 1 Home Learning Pack for this week. The learning included is to help the children to consolidate what they've already learned at school. Top tips: don't force your child to do everything all in one go. If they want to do one piece of learning a day, that's fine. Take the learning at their own pace. Make it fun. Use practical activities or things that you might have at home. So, for example, using macaroni or using straws for maths. Have lots of colourful pencil crayons or pens if you're able to. And use the things that you have at home to be creative. But above all, have fun and praise all efforts. In English this week, the children will consolidate their learning of proper nouns, spelling, punctuation, and suffixes. A proper noun names a specific person, a place, or a thing. It also names days of the week. So, for example, my name is Mrs. Curling. My friend's name is Portia. Portia comes from Barbados and we live in England. All of these nouns begin with a capital letter because they are special. The children will also be adding the suffix ing to the end of a root word. So, for example, read plus ing equals reading. Read plus ing equals reading. When you're adding ing to the root word, you need to make sure that the word is real. Bread plus ing, breading. Real? No. So make sure when you're adding ing to a word that you have made a real word. The children will also be practicing their spellings. So, for example, you can use the process of look, cover, spell, check. Look at the word. Cover the word. Spell the word. Check the word. Look, cover, spell, check. The children will also be using their phonic knowledge to complete new words. So have fun, go through all the phonic activities that we have online in order to help them to remember to consolidate, to learn new sounds so that they can access reading and writing. In maths this week, the children will be consolidating their learning in counting in twos and place value, addition and subtraction. They will be helping the frog to count in twos to jump from lily pad to lily pad in jumps of 2. When you're jumping in 2 and you start at 0, what's the next number? When you're counting in twos and you land on 2, what's the next number? What have you noticed about these numbers? What do all the two-digit numbers end in? The children will also be learning and consolidating their knowledge of place value. So, for example, they might have a number, and that number is 29. How many tens are in 29? There are 2 tens. There are 2 tens in 29. How many ones are there in 29? There are 9 ones. So I can use my magic macaroni and count out 9 ones to make the number 29. You can extend this activity by getting the children to make their own 2-digit number using a variety of things at home, or simply by drawing it on a piece of paper or a whiteboard. So for example, they might draw 1, 2, 3 lines. 3 lots of 10, 30, 3 lots of 10, 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number is 36. So using everyday things at home to help consolidate and extend the children's number knowledge, place value knowledge, is really a fantastic and fun way to learn. I hope this has been helpful, and I will see you next week. Until then, stay safe.